At 2 in the morning last Tuesday, while a painter in Melbourne was asleep, his phone buzzed 3 times. A lead came in from his website. Within 60 seconds, that lead got a personalized email, a text message, and a link to book a quote. By 7 a.m., the job was booked. By noon, he'd been paid a $1,200 deposit. He didn't touch his phone once. He didn't even know it happened until he checked his calendar over breakfast. That's not a fantasy. That's what an AI agent does when you build one properly. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to set one up in under 30 minutes for free. Here's the thing about running a small business. You don't lose customers because your work is bad. You lose them because you're too slow. 78% of customers hire the first business that responds. Not the best, not the cheapest, the first. And the average small business takes over 4 hours to reply to a new inquiry. Some take days. Some never reply at all. Every hour you don't respond, the chance of converting that lead drops by 10%. After 24 hours, it's basically gone. That customer has already called 3 other businesses and picked one. And the worst part? You probably don't even know it's happening. Most business owners have no idea how many leads they're losing because they were on a job, driving, eating dinner, or sleeping. Think about that for a second. You're spending money on ads, SEO, a website, a Google business profile, all to get the phone to ring. And then you miss the call, or you reply 6 hours later when the customer has already booked someone else. You're paying to generate leads and then throwing them in the bin. I know what you're thinking. I can't be on my phone 24/7. I have a business to run. You're right. You can't, and you shouldn't have to. That's the entire point. What if you had someone who never sleeps, never forgets, and responds to every single lead within 60 seconds, at 2 in the morning, on Christmas Day, while you're on holiday? Someone who books the appointment, sends the confirmation, and follows up if they don't show? That's not a virtual assistant charging $30 an hour. That's an AI agent. And once you build it, it runs forever. No salary, no sick days, no training, just results every single time. Everything we're building today runs on one platform called GoHighLevel. Think of it as your entire business back office in one tool. CRM, email, text messaging, booking calendar, website, invoicing, payment processing, and automation workflows. Most businesses are paying for MailChimp, plus Calendly, plus a CRM, plus a booking system, plus a text messaging service. That's 5 subscriptions, 5 logins, 5 things that don't talk to each other. GoHighLevel replaces all of them. 1 login, 1 bill, and the AI automation that ties it all together. I'll put the link in the description. They have a free trial so you can follow along and build this yourself. The first thing we set up is the trigger. This is the event that wakes up your AI agent. It could be a form submission on your website, a Facebook message, a missed call, a new Google review, or an email. You pick what starts the chain. For this build, we're using new contact as the trigger. Anytime someone fills out a form, calls your number, or messages you on any platform, the AI agent activates immediately. The key word there is immediately. Not when you check your phone. Not when you get back from a job. Immediately. Every single time. Now here's where most businesses already lose. The lead comes in and nothing happens. Maybe someone checks their email in an hour. Maybe they call back tomorrow. Maybe they forget entirely. Your AI agent sends 3 things within 60 seconds. First, a personalized email. Not a generic thanks for your inquiry template. A message that uses their name, references what they asked about, and includes your booking link. And this is where boss copy comes in. Instead of spending hours writing follow-up copy, you generate high-converting email templates in 60 seconds. Boss copy uses a framework called START that's specifically designed for trades and service businesses. The copy converts because it speaks directly to what the customer is actually worried about. Second, a text message. Short, direct, personal. Hey, Thanks for reaching out about your roof repair. Here's a link to book a free quote at a time that suits you. SMS open rates are 98%. Email is 20%. That's why you send both. Third, if they haven't booked within an hour, a follow-up text. Friendly reminder. No pressure. Just staying at the top of their mind while your competitors are still eating lunch. Here's where it gets powerful. Most leads don't book on the first message. They're busy. They're comparing prices. They saw your ad while they were distracted and forgot about it. That doesn't mean they don't want the work done. They just need a nudge. Your AI agent runs a 7-day follow-up sequence. Day 1, email plus text. Day 2, text with a customer review attached. Day 4, hey, just checking in. Did you still need that quote? Day 7, final message with a limited time offer. Each message is different. Each one adds value. And you can generate all of them in Boss Copy in about 3 minutes. Feed it your business details, select follow-up sequence, and it gives you 7 messages that sound like a real human who actually gives a damn. The result? Businesses using this type of automated follow-up recover between 15 and 35% of leads that would have otherwise been lost. At an average job value of $2,000, even recovering 5 leads a month is $10,000 in revenue. From a system that took 30 minutes to build. When the customer clicks your booking link, they see your real-time availability. They pick a date and time. GoHighLevel automatically sends them a confirmation email, a calendar invite, and a reminder the day before. If they don't show up, the AI agent sends a reschedule message. No awkward phone calls, no chasing. The system handles it. And every step, every booking, every no-show, every completed job gets logged in your CRM automatically. You can see exactly where every lead is in your pipeline, what they're worth, and what needs to happen next. After the job is done and paid, the AI agent waits 24 hours and then sends a review request. Personalized, friendly, with a direct link to your Google business profile. This is how businesses go from 3 reviews to 50 reviews in 6 months. And more 5-star reviews means more leads coming in, which means more jobs for the AI agent to book. It's a flywheel that accelerates the longer it runs. Let me show you what we just built. A lead comes in at 2 a.m. Within 60 seconds, email, text, booking link. If they don't book, 7-day follow-up sequence. When they book, confirmation, reminder, no, show recovery. After the job, review request. Total time to build, 30 minutes. Total cost, the GoHighLevel subscription. Total leads lost while you sleep, 0. The link to GoHighLevel is in the description below. Free trial, no risk. And if you want the AI-generated copy for your follow-up sequences, emails, and text messages, check out Boss Copy. Link is also below. It'll generate everything you need in about 3 minutes. Subscribe if you want more builds like this. Next video, I'm showing you how one plumber is making $47,000 a month using these exact systems. That's not a typo. $47,000. You'll want to see his setup.